On Tab Home panel section, activate the command section plane. On command line, activate the option Draw Section. Draw section and specify start point, something in drawn field, some here. It's here, specify next and some next point. Click enter or click right mouse button. Next step, specify point in direction of section view. It may be higher or down. And change the view on free orbit. Click ESC and select section plane. Move the cursor and click left mouse button. Change the view on top and click one of the point. It may be direction point, and change the view on section plane.